born on this perfect month. Parents are happy, especially your mom. They leave you with care, love you as well. Put in the crib to make you sleep, making you milk to stop you crying, carrying slowly to make you sleepy. Because they love you, they always there for you. Look like a bear, loving tender care. Another day passed, another week passed. Now you go up, now grown up. Now it's your birthday, you have a happy day. Make a celebration, blessing every day. First time in school, you are very cool. All the boys admire you because you're beautiful. Another week passed, another month passed. Now you're big grown, now you are grown. Now you're in college, you learn more knowledge. You take up course, the one you love most. You make your own decision, you make your own decision. You are older and going more bolder. Another month passed, another year rushed. You want to be happy, even not so easy. Now it's your birthday, it's your happy day. Blow your candle, you're ready to mingle. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.